Alright, so I have here this knife. It has some history behind it. My neighbor was gifted this from his uncle. But as you can see, it's seen much better days. The blade is tired, the handle's worn, and it's in desperate need of restoration. And that's where I come in. Today, I'm going to breathe new life into this piece, carefully bringing it back to a functional and hopefully beautiful knife. So let's get started. First things first, we have to seal up all those holes. I'm using epoxy to do it. And don't mind my dorky self, but we are going to make sure that dries evenly. After that was all dried, it was time to reshape the handle. Get rid of all the added epoxy and bring it back down to its roots. Because of the way that this knife was constructed, it had a lot of little gaps and defects in it from the factory, so those just got worse and worse over time. At this point, I'm not just doing a restoration, but I'm breathing new life into this knife. Because somebody else made this knife, I'm not sure what kind of steel it was. It did, however, pass the spark test, so I'm assuming it's some form of high carbon steel. This does make sense because it was rusted over pretty bad. The good news is it should hold an edge pretty decently when completed. After all the rust was taken care of on the blade, I spent quite a bit of time hand sanding here, and that's just something I do normally anyway. It's a good practice that leads to a great finish. Oh look, chickens. Anyways, after all this hand sanding was done, I treated the wood with boiled linseed oil, and that really penetrates and brings out the shine in it. Then it was off to a liquid paraffin wax dip, mostly liquid. This not only completely seals in the wood and all the little defects, but it also adds a layer of protection to all the metal, preventing any future oxidation. Alright, so here's the finished product. I'm about to go walk over to the neighbors and give this back to him. See what he says. Your knife ready for you, sir?
Ready? I seen it. Woo! Look at that. Yes, sir. Oh, don't let him have that when he's behind me and give me a haircut.
Dude,
That looks nice, buddy.
He's gonna shave the rest of your head with it.
Yeah.
super clean, bro. That is f***ing sweet.